So let me just
1 second,
basically.
guys. Not on the question.
Okay. Do you think you can try this?
I'll just try once.
Okay.
We have to use the trigonometric function here, right?
Yes, correct. Trigonometric, or since all of them is related only, so you can say complex numbers, anything, polar coordinates, whatever.
Will it be something like x cos 45 degrees whole square, and then so basically x square by 2 minus y square by 2 equal to something?
Okay, you're thinking on the right direction. A straight up formula for this is, let's say your existing frame of references in x and y, small and x and y. You want it,
Hmm.
as per the question, you want it on new axis. So let the new axis be capital X, capital Y. General formula for this is cos theta, sin theta,
Sin theta.
minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay. Also, this theta is, since you know theta has also a sign to it, right? It's a sign value. So, what does clockwise mean in mathematics? Negative,
Mm-hmm.
right? This is from your trigonometry knowledge. It means negative. Anti-clockwise means positive. Okay. So 45 clockwise would be what? So theta would be what? Minus 45, which is minus pi by 4. Okay. Now
Yeah.
tell me what is cos of minus pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Sine of minus pi by 4, minus 1 by root 2.
1 is 1 by
What,
root 2.
whatever is here, the negative is here. So 1 by root 2
Yeah.
here, and it's the same as here. So 1 by root 2. That means since you have to replace the existing with new, so that means you can write x as this plus this, and y as, so like similarly. So x
Okay.
becomes x multiplied. Okay, x root 2 plus y by root 2. And similarly, can you tell me what would be y? That would be
Y
minus x
would
by
be, yeah.
plus y by root 2. Just replace your x
Hmm.
and y with this in this equation, and that will be your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Next topic
Can
is
you just
area.
scroll up 1 second? I just note it down.
Yes.
And then y equal to minus. Yeah, got it.
Okay. So next topic is area. So let's say first talk about area of a triangle. It is also sometimes represented as like this. Let's say you have this vertices, so like different notations. Okay, so that is what one formula is. Let's say you have this triangle A, B, C. Whatever the side length opposite to this vertex, let that be small a. Opposite to this, small b. Opposite to this, small c. Let this be one of the altitudes. So 90 degree, h1. One of the ways to write it is half into base into height. Another is half b h2. H2 would be what? Can you tell me? It would be this altitude. So similarly, it would be half c h3. Okay, then you have something called as Heron's formula. Let's say BAC. You find semi-perimeter, which is A plus B plus C by 2, half of perimeter. Area is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Another way to write the area is half AB sine C, half BC sine A, half AC sine B. For this sort of triangle, let's say A, B, C. So this is A, this is B. So can you see, we can write the area also as half into product of two adjacent sides multiplied with the sine of angle included between them, right? And this is for any combination, this is the same. Perfect. Now let's say you're given
Can you
3
explain
points.
that again?
Okay, this is also using vectors actually, this concept. uh, Let this be your setup a b c. Whatever is in front of a we call that small a, whatever front of b small b, whatever front of c small c. uh, a way to write this area is half into product of two sides adjacent
Yeah,
multiplied
got
with
it.
angle between them.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, that is why for a right angle triangle, let this be a b c. This is a, this is b, this is c.
Yeah, that's why it's half AC.
Yes, half a c, base into height into sine of 90. Okay. Now let's say you're given 3 points x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. So there's something called as determinant method that we use. There's
Yeah, I
something
know that one.
okay, there's something called as shoelace method, that is for any number, any n-sided polygon. That is a much better way to remember, because they might even ask you for a quadrilateral, trapezium, or you know generally we prefer geometric way only, right? But sometimes they might ask for coordinate. So x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, and repeating this only x1 y1. So this minus of this, so it's half x1 y2 plus x2 y3 plus x3 y1 minus of x2 y1 plus of x3 y2 plus of x1 y3. This is a mod, obviously. I mean, whatever way you use, you definitely know, right? There's any problem to you in finding the area for this?
No.
Okay. Let's say you have to find area of a polygon. So x1 y1 all the way till xn yn, and this is the order. They generally write this word order.
Also, my dad would like to talk to you in the end.
Okay. So when they ask you about this area of a polygon, they mention this word in that order. This is you know relevance wise does not have much relevance. How when we write, we have to write the coordinates of, let's say, any polygon which has greater than equal to four sides. So how do you see we never write it like this, let's say a b c d, because this is not following any order, right? Order means either it should be anti-clockwise or it should be clockwise. You never write the coordinates like this, right? Either you will write a anti-clockwise sense. What is anti-clockwise? Like this, correct? And clockwise is like this. So anti-clockwise would be what? A, B, C, D. This is the correct order because it's an order. Or A, B, C, D. So this is the relevance of order, right? This is a very basic thing. You will probably learning this since 8th, 7th, 8th plus.
Yeah.
Okay. And actually, for an area of polygon, you can very well use this shoelace method only, right? So half x1 y1 all the way till, let's say, x and yn, and again repeating whatever was initially. And similar pattern to follow. Half mod this plus this plus this plus this, like that, right? X1 y2 all the way till x and y1 minus this, like that you can write. Okay.
Got it.
Now tell me one thing. If this is a parallel thing, can we say that this area is equal to this area is equal to this area is equal to this area?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's congruent triangle, right? And similarly, if you just take one diagonal only, then also this is area to this area. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, my dad was saying something and I had to put him.
Um, okay. Actually, I want to like give you a question on this.
Yeah, sure.
So ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is 10 centimeter. BC is 8 centimeter. CM is 5 centimeter. CN is what? So the diagram is somewhat like
10 BCS 8
this is
centimeter.
AB. This is N. This is an altitude. This is also an altitude.
Can you just scroll up a bit because like I can't see the last. Okay. I have to find CN.
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second. ABC is a parallelogram, and this is N. Both are right angled. Okay. I was thinking that maybe we could use similarity, but then this won't apply here.
Okay. Yeah, there could be a lot of ways. Actually, I just told you about this area concept, so that's why maybe we could use this concept. See, first thing.
Many students practice maths regularly, but still don't improve. Because the same mistakes keep repeating, and no one tracks them. In exams, this turns into confusion and blank moments. With one-to-one mentoring, every mistake is corrected, and real improvement begins.